Tracfone offers multiple ways to check your talk, text, and data balances. The primary method is dialing *777 from your Tracfone. This is a free call that sends you a text message with your current balance and expiry date. Alternatively, you can use 2289 TAC for plan info or 322 TAC for just your data balance. You can also text BAL to 150 for a quick reply. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, download the free Tracfone My Account app on iOS or Android, log in, and refresh the dashboard. The app is recommended as it syncs directly with Tracfone's servers, and data usage for app checks is free on Tracfone plans. According to Tracfone data, 85% of users now check their balance via the app because it's convenient. Tracfone minutes expire, typically 90 days after activation for standard plans, although some plans offer a year. You can find your expiry date by using the methods mentioned above, such as balance codes or the app. Tracfone will send expiry alerts about 7 days in advance. Note that minutes are non-refundable and unused minutes don't roll over unless your specific plan states otherwise. Digital-first interactions have increased, and Tracfone is integrating AI enhancements, such as predictive expiry reminders. This helps customers like the Florida user in a Verizon webinar who received an AI alert 48 hours before expiry and purchased an add-on to avoid service interruption. Keep your app refreshed to prevent unexpected expirations and ensure continuous service.